Hey there everyone, the Vintage Sewing Machine Garage here, and I wanted to show you guys something that is an easy reconditioning task you can do, maybe an upgrade if you will. This is of course the Arrow Stitch Master that is now being listed on Kijiji, and like many sewing machines from the period, it comes in its own carrying case, a very nice big sturdy case. Now a lot of people when they sew with a carrying case machine, they will be sitting this case up. Right now you see it sitting on a towel because I have it up on a sewing machine table that holds a different machine. The reason it's on a towel is because like many of these cases, it originally had feet or felts that have been, over the years worn away. And you can get replacements. In fact, I get these at a hardware store. They're designed to go under probably pieces of furniture, so they're certainly nice and tough. But what I do is, and I do this with all of the cases that I have, it's nice to have because if someone takes this to sew and they put it on their dining table or any piece of furniture, you don't want it to scratch, right? In fact, you should always check that. If you buy a machine in a case, be careful where you sit it down until you've seen what's underneath that. Underneath the tray part. You have to do this carefully. You don't want the machine falling out of the case. To do that, so I will be holding it still while I show you guys. You can see I've already gotten this one, and on the other end I've gotten two of the pads done, and then I'll put them on the back. And these are really just peel and stick. They have their own adhesive. You peel them off just like you would put under a furniture leg. And it's a nice little thing. A lot of people who buy sewing machines don't really think about that. They may never even look at it. But I like to do that for people who get machines from me. It's just an extra little touch, that I think is, I think people who overhaul, restore machines should look at some of the details like that. It doesn't take very long to do. It's not costly, but it's something that a lot of, my clients don't always think about, but I do, and I want them to have good experience. And nobody wants to, scratch up nice furniture like the table that sits below this. But anyway, just a quick tip for you guys if you're looking at that. You can also, of course, get these to put under the legs of your sewing machine table. They're certainly good for those as well. So there you go, guys. Just a quick suggestion, helpful hint, if you will. Again, it costs very little. You can buy a little package of these things and use them for your furniture at home and your sewing machine case. And it's going to be a lot more pleasant to put this, again, on a table or some sort of level surface for when you go to sew with it. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And if I come up with any other little hints, tips, etc., I will be sure to post them here in YouTube. Take care.